He combined the chemicals, aiming to invent a clear plastic for gun sights, but instead, he ended up with a substance that stuck to everything and refused to come off. It seemed like a failure and was set aside. Years later, he revisited the formula and saw its true potential, an incredibly strong adhesive. His company decided to package it as a glue, and once it hit the shelves, it became a massive success. Today, it generates billions in sales and millions of tubes are sold every year around the world.